Bitcoin trading is sometimes very easy and so obvious because what we're seeing right now is a fight between the bull and the bears. Who is going to win? Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Jay here from StakeMentor, bringing you today's Bitcoin technical analysis. As always, if you could take literally a second to subscribe below, frankly, because I do these videos every day, I love doing them, and I want you guys to know that I'm here to answer all your questions in the comments section. So yesterday we had some very interesting moves. So we were predicting a move to the 10k level. In fact, we actually exceeded the 10k level and retraced back. So now what's going on here? What are we seeing here? Well, this is a beautiful chart for me, because if you look, let's draw some shapes here. If you look at this area here, price comes down, resistance, price comes down, resistance, price comes down, resistance, breaks through and comes all the way back to the 10k level, and now it will find some major resistance. So what is going to happen? Well, what we are seeing right now, a fight between the bulls, so the people who want to see the price here, and the bears who want to see the price here. So you saw yesterday we pushed up, the bulls pushed up, went about the historical 10k mark, and bam, came down. This morning the bulls pushed up, bam, it came down. So what are we going to see in the short term? In the short term, we will see exactly what happened over here. This is what I think. We will see a fight. We will see a fight between the bulls and the bears. And the other thing to bear in mind as well is, if you look at the bars here, they're like quite long, which means there's a lot of volume here. Here there's there's not enough volume at the market at the moment to see some crazy up, down, up movement. So what I'm expecting, unless there's some crazy news coming out, price to be doing exactly the same as here, pushing, coming down, pushing, coming down, and then hopefully breaking up to the upside, similar to what we had here when we broke through the 9k level. So it will be very interesting to see what to do. The obvious move right now would be to take in the short term, I'll probably take like a short position, looking price to retrace back to the sort of the 9,500 level, to these bar highs. And then in the sort of 48 hours next week, what I'm expecting is hopefully a push higher, price to close above the 10k level, like it did above the 9k level. So price to close somewhere, here above the 10k level, and then we will hopefully see a further push towards sort of the 12k mark. Yeah. And for me, this area over here, which is like the 11,500. So once we get to these areas, then I will start to get very excited, because if you can manage to break out of here, oh lord, I think we are looking at some crazy highs. But for now, let's watch this area very closely. Perhaps just take a small short position, retrace back to the 9,500 level, and then going for there. That's it from me today. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, so before you make your trades or any trade decisions, as always, just do your own research first, please, and then I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.